Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something special for all the outdoor entertainment enthusiasts out there. The Pyle pair of wall-mount Bluetooth water-resistant 6.5 inches indoor-outdoor speaker system. These speakers claim to deliver a powerful and immersive audio experience for your outdoor gatherings. Let's dive right in and see if they live up to the hype. Before we get into the details, let's take a look at the key features and specifications of these Pyle outdoor speakers. These speakers boast a maximum power output of 300 watts, with 30W plus 30W RMS, allowing you to enjoy your music at your preferred volume levels. The Pyle pair comes with a 6.25 long-throw subwoofer and high-performance 1 polymer dome tweeters for rich stereo sound reproduction and impressive bass response. These speakers are equipped with Bluetooth technology, making them compatible with a range of devices such as iPhones, Android phones, tablets, and more. You can wirelessly stream your favorite music within a 30-foot range. Designed to withstand the elements, these speakers are water-resistant with a marine-grade IP44 rating, ensuring they can handle extreme temperatures and conditions. They also offer a 3.5mm aux input connector and gold-plated binding post speaker plugs for connecting external devices. Out of the box, you'll find the active and passive speakers, a 12 volts DC power adapter, and speaker cables. The setup is relatively straightforward. Connect the two speakers using the provided speaker wire, plug in the power adapter, and you're ready to go. The Bluetooth pairing process is quick and hassle-free. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, sound quality. The Pyle pair delivers a respectable audio experience, with clear highs and decent mid-range tones. The 6.25 subwoofers provide a good amount of bass, though audiophiles might find it slightly lacking in depth. At moderate volumes, the sound is crisp and enjoyable, making it suitable for outdoor gatherings and parties. However, keep in mind that these speakers are not audiophile grade but rather designed for outdoor entertainment. In summary, the Pyle pair of wall-mount Bluetooth water-resistant speakers offer a compelling option for outdoor entertainment. They provide a decent audio experience at an affordable price point, making them suitable for casual outdoor gatherings, backyard parties, and more. While they may not satisfy audiophiles seeking pristine sound quality, they deliver reliable performance for the majority of users. Just be aware of their 30-watt RMS rating, as the advertised 300 watts can be misleading. That's it for today's review of the Pyle pair of wall-mount Bluetooth water-resistant speakers. If you're in the market for outdoor speakers that won't break the bank, these might be worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.